without hello everyone, this is Anchal and today I am here to tell you about how you can learn English from scratch. So yeah, I'm here. If you follow me, whatever I'll told you, I'll make sure that you will learn English in just 3 months. Yes, if you follow it with consistency, your English will definitely get better. So yeah, if I talk about so, firstly, I'll make it clear that if you are finding the easiest way to learn English, so you may go now. Because this video is not for those who are watching, who are searching for the easiest way to learn English. Because there is no easiest way to learning something. Learning is a process, and just be the part of that process. If I told you that do it, you will learn English by doing this only by one step. So this is not possible because learning is means yeah, I know you are getting that what I'm saying. Just stop searching for the easiest way to learn English. If you really want to learn English, if you're serious about learning English, so start doing what I am saying. I'm also a learner. I'm an middle intermediate level learner, and you can see that how I'm speaking. I'm not that much fluent, but yeah, I'm trying to speak. At least I'm speaking. So yeah, I also did the same thing that I'm going to tell you. So yeah, stay tuned if you really want to learn English. Let's get started. So, if I talk about how I started learning English, so I think I told in my short video, but okay, let me tell you again that I started learning English in 2023, I guess, but I was not that much consistent. I started to going an academy, English academy. I joined an English academy to learn English. But over there, I just went there for 2 months and I was not consistent. I didn't participate in anything. I participated, but not that much that can change my English and that can make me fluent. So yeah, but in this year I took resolution to be fluent in English. Before ending the 2026, I want to be the fluent in English. So I took resolution. So I'm working on it. As far as English speaking is concerned, it is very vast language and how you will learn it. So what you need to do is first speak. Whatever video you have found in YouTube, everyone is saying that start speaking. Without speaking, you can't be fluent. So the step what I am following, I'll tell you the same. So your first step what I am following is speaking. As you see that I am speaking, I'm not using even a single word of Hindi. So I start speaking without rushing, without fasting your word, and without stopping. Just to start speaking, whatever comes in your mind, speak, and speak. The second thing what you need to do is the easiest way. If I tell you that what I'm doing, yeah, speaking is the one of the way. But the second way, what I'm doing is I'm watching podcast of anything. With you can search, you will find too many podcasts in English. So I watch that podcast. The second, so watch it. What you need to do by watching podcast. First, listen what they are speaking. Don't try to understand, just firstly listen. Listen, after that, read the subtitle what they are speaking about. Read it. The third, last but not the least part is understanding. The most important thing. If you listen anything and if you're not getting what they are saying and what is it means, so you will not get better in English. But if you listen, then read, then understand the meaning of it, it's worth it. It will help you a lot. So yeah, listen, read and understand. If I broadly classify these all things, so that will help you. So if I talk about listening, so listening is most important thing. As you all know that our mind is faster than our mouth. What we speak, our mind translate or our mind speak faster than this. That's why we rush sometimes. So yeah, when you listen, your mind will understand it and your mind will retain it. And when you stop watching that thing and when you do other thing, you will see that your mind is speaking everything in English. As for example, if I am talking in English and if I'm watching something, it really happened to me. If I'm doing something and if I'm watching podcast and after that I'm doing something, so then suddenly my mind goes in different kind of thoughts and translating it in English and talking in English. So it happens, it really happens. When you start retaining anything in English, your mind will start thinking in English. So yeah, this is how you can stop translating everything in English in your mind and start thinking in English. Yeah, I will make separate video of how to think in English. But yeah, this is how you can learn English by listening. The second thing what I told you, that read. Yeah, after listening, just read the subtitle what they are talking about. Yeah, when you watch 20-minute podcast, by reading every single line, it take too much time. That's why I'm saying to you to watch short podcasts so that you can easily read every subtitle what they are talking about. So yeah, second, read. By reading, you can improve your pronunciation. Yeah. Through reading, you can be fluent, you can speak every word fluently. As you all know that when we try to speak faster English, we rush. Why? Because we don't have habit to read everything in English. We always talk in Hindi, we always watch everything in Hindi. So if you really want to learn English, you need to make habit of reading. So the second thing is read subtitle of that podcast. Third thing is understanding. The most important. The last but not the least important part is understanding. Understanding the concept, what they are talking about, understanding the word they are using, understanding what they spoke, understanding what grammar they used in that sentences. So yeah, third thing is understanding. For example, if they are talking about courage, so the courage is like, I have courage to do anything, I can do anything. So yeah, I can do anything is a sentence. Just search it. What does it mean? If you are beginner, if you are intermediate level, so it is good to you will understand the simple meaning of everything. So search it and then search where the model verb can use. The use of can. Just search it. This is how you will learn grammar too. You don't need to learn grammar by other things. You don't need to learn structure and all. You just have to focus on speaking, and when you listen anything and retain it voicely, and when you listen by learning purpose, then you will see that you are retaining or learning everything. Like I gave you example, like if a sentence is I can do it, then translate in Hindi, then see the use of can, where the can use, then make a sentence out of it. Like can, where we can use, for example, just make a five example of can. Like I can do it, I can play game, I can watch TV, I can make video, I can speak English, I can learn English. This is how you can make sentences. Just initially make small sentences so that you will be familiar to that words, that pronunciation, and that how you can speak. So yeah, try this, and this is how you will learn English in just 3 months. What I am betting you to. So yeah, this is the crucial technique that you can use to learn English. First, listen. Second, read the subtitle. Third, understand the part what they are talking about. Understand the concept, understand the grammar they are using in that video, and then learn grammar from this. This is how you can learn English. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If it is useful, so let me know in the comment, and you can tell me anything what you want from me to make a video from. You will tell me your problem and I'll make sure that I'll make video for it. I'm also learning, and whatever I learn, I'll share it for you. I just need your support so that I be confident to make video. I feel motivated to make video for you all, because I love learning and I love to help others. So yeah, this is what I want to do. So yeah, whatever problem you are facing, just tell me out. I'll help you, of course. Bye bye. See you in the next video.